I'm Dr. Steve Grinstead, and I want to share my excitement about the May 11th More Than Lupus full day of experiential chronic pain freedom. Freedom from suffering with chronic pain. And we have 19 slots left, so registration is free for anyone living with chronic pain. And More Than Lupus especially wants to invite anyone suffering with any of the invisible illnesses like lupus, Crohn's disease, IBS, autoimmune, fibromyalgia, all the ones that when you go to the doctor, they look at you skeptically. We want to talk about how to empower yourselves and develop a really strategic plan to achieve your personal freedom from suffering. I am honored that More Than Lupus has invited me and my wife Ellen to come up and spend the day with you in intensive experiential workshops that'll include Ellen's specialty, which is movement and trance dance. And we'll talk about things like how to develop relaxation response skills to lower your stress and anxiety levels, which will in turn lower your perception of pain. We'll also give you some tools on how to differentiate pain from suffering and how to achieve true freedom from suffering. So don't hesitate. Like I said, we only have 19 slots left. It's free, first come, first serve. So please don't hesitate. Take this time to go to the link that you'll find with this video and sign up now. I look forward to seeing you on May 11th in Portland, Oregon. And as always, onward and upward. And California is coming to Oregon.